Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can pretty much like change the input when you are voice recording on CapCut PC. So the voice recording button will be here. If you can't find it, maybe you're on the browser. I think it's only available on PC, I think. So you're just going to select record, and to change your input device you're just going to select this bit here, and I have three options. This is from my headset, this one's from my webcam, and this one is from my laptop, so I'm just going to choose this one. You can adjust the volume here, and you can also enable echo reduction and even mute your project, and click to start recording. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!